Yeah, I brought that for Desiree.
Why?
So she could see the picture of the girls. Why don't you go play peekaboo with Desiree again?
No.
Come on.
No.
You want to hide behind Aunt Di?
Here.
Where are you going? Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Then no. Then no.
Yeah.
Then no. Then no.
Say
Then no.
something different.
Yeah. You say yes. You say yes.
No.
Say
Yeah.
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 Then no. No, Mom. Stop
Cooperate.
Okay, go give her a hug for me, please. Will you go give Desiree a hug? Because we're going to get ready to go. Go give her a hug.
Mommy,
Yeah.
can I watch the show?
Mm.
Watch the show tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Be nice, please.
Where do your homework come from?
Your helmet?
Yeah. Then no.
Yeah.
Then no.
Yeah.
Then no.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. No.
Yeah.
No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
What's wrong?
No.
What? What's he touching?
Yeah. What's wrong with him?
What did he do? He touched something, that yucky plant?
Yeah.
Not yucky plant. It's inside.
Yeah.
Ah! It's burning. Got my eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
What are you doing?
There's the sun in my eyes.
The sun's in your eyes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Say yes.
No. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Do you say mom? Yeah. Does. Yeah. Mom.
No.
Look at that chapstick shell. Can you look at mom? Mom. You said it earlier. Remember you said earlier? Look at mom. Here, Kev, stand right here with me.
Here,
Stand
Kevin.
by for 1
Don't
second.
do that, hun.
Mommy.
You say mom. Do your chapstick. You do it. Do your chapstick on your lips. Yeah. Your lips are chapped.
No.
Yeah, put it on your lips.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, what is going on?
Uh-huh.
Give me a tissue.
I want shoes at my house too.
Come here.
Can't I?
You do? Well,
Yeah.
next time you come, will you bring one so you guys can watch it together? You and Desiree can watch a movie together.
And
Okay.
Mom, and my mom and
Yeah.
Wednesday, Mercy and Thomas and Wednesday.
Okay.
Come on over here so Desiree can see you. Come here. She's trying to turn to see you.
I'll take it back.
There.
The lid on it?
Okay. Yeah. There you are.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't push me. Yeah. 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 No. Stop.
Be nice.
She's being nice. Oh, well, that's what. Maybe you shouldn't have slammed that.
You move your phone there, then I slap my little finger.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Would you stop and say yeah? No.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't see me.
Don't see me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Chicken boy.
Chicken butt.
Yeah.
Chicken boy.
Ah.
Where'd you go?
Can I feel it?
Can you feel it? Sure.
Cold, isn't it?
No.
She's watching everything he does.
What is he doing, Des? Can you say Kevin? Kevin.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Chicken boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Together.
Oh, it's dirty, Kev. Don't put it in your mouth, babe.